I'm Phil, co-founder of Cybersecurity Hub and AttackForge. Welcome to Tutorial06. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a private Slack channel in AttackForge and use this to collaborate with your project team. For those of you who haven't used Slack, it's a place where your team comes together to collaborate and a place where important information can be found by the right people. In the case of AttackForge, it can be used to discuss vulnerabilities between developers and pen testers, or to help discuss issues experienced during testing, or to simply keep the project team updated on progress and findings. The first thing to do is to create a new project. You can do this by accessing the Projects menu and then clicking on Create New Project. Here we're going to create just a simple web application pen test. Now we can open the newly created project. The first thing to do is to give everyone access to the project who needs to be included. This may be pen testers, your direct client, and anybody they require to have access. In this case, it may be developers, admins, etc. You can add their email and select their access level, and they'll get an email invite. Note, only project owners have access and permissions to invite new people to the project. Back on the project, if we click on the Slack logo for the first time, it will automatically create a new private channel in the AttackForge Slack workspace. Now that it's created, if we click on Invite Project Team, everyone on this project will get notified and be given access to the private Slack channel for this project. If they do not have an existing account on the AttackForge Slack workspace, they'll simply receive an email invitation and then will automatically have access to the channel after they've completed their registration. Otherwise, a new private channel will simply show up. Considering I'm already logged into the AttackForge Slack workspace, you can see that a new channel has popped up. Now I can easily, privately and securely chat with my project team. Back on AttackForge, there's also the ability to add a person to a Slack channel by email. This may be useful if you want to bring somebody into a group or private chat, but you don't want them to have access to the vulnerabilities or findings in AttackForge. An example may be a third-party developer or people without a need to know. So there you have it. It's easy to do. You can now collaborate further with your project team on AttackForge. We're also working on many other exciting integrations coming soon to AttackForge. So stay tuned.